Do you hear that? In the distance, there's a sound. Actually, there are two sounds. Can you guess it? That's right, I'm doing laundry. When I do laundry, I put my soiled garments into the washing machine. It spins the clothes with water and soap until they're all clean. But, of course, I can't put on wet clothes, so what should I do about that? Aha, that's where the dryer comes in. You see, you take those wet clothes, they're all pressed up against the sides of the washing machine, and you take them to the dryer. You throw them in, and it tumbles them all around with a big bunch of blast of heat. Dries them all out so that when you take them out and put them on, they'll be dry as a bone dry. Yep, that's how I do laundry, and that's what I'm doing right now. Can you hear it churning and chugging?